Guys, magluluto tayo ng ginataang hipon, shrimp with coconut milk with butter and garlic, okay, with onion and onion leaves. Ayan, more than half kilo. Inuna ko yung butter. We don't have enough butter, so magdadagdag ako ng olive oil later. I love with onion, that's why I add onion also. Sa totoo lang guys, ayoko nag-i-English, kaya lang para maintindihan ni Habi. Kaya pasensya na kung ako'y hindi perfecto. Pagpasensyahan nyo na si Inday. Pagka ikay may asawang ibang lahi, ay nako, sayaw mo't hindi ikay mag-i-English. Hindi ibiro. Nakaka-nosebleed sa totoo lang. Ayan guys, nailagay ko na yung shrimp. Wala tayong pumpkins, wala tayong kalabasa or sitaw, kaya ano lang, yung green bell pepper lang yung sasahog kong gulay. Hindi tayo naka-ready eh. Akala ko, pang-stock lang namin ito. Bigla ko lang naisipan guys. Let's check it out guys. Ayan. Maya-maya, lagyan natin ng gata, coconut milk. My banana cake is already done. Wow, I love it. Mas like ko to. I like it more than to buy to the supermarket, guys. This is more healthy and not so much strong ingredients. Banana, 3 pieces of banana, 1 egg, and sugar and peanut on the top, and milk also, and baking powder and vanilla flavor. Okay, ayan guys, nilagay ko na yung gata. Ayan, coconut milk. Ayan guys, completos recados na. Tatakpan na lang natin, tapos lagay natin yung green pepper later. Now luto na. It's already done. Yes, we're eating very soon. I'm so hungry now guys. Okay guys, it's already done. Wow, so tasty. I taste it first before. Wow, it's perfect. Okay guys, please subscribe me. Thank you for watching, and like please if you can. God bless us all. Mwah. Okay, eto na guys. Ang sarap. Ayan, meron pa tayong natira. Okay. Mwah mwah.